We created the company in the year 2009. We built the company from scratch. We were two partners at that time. The idea was to launch our company in Spain, due that we have been working in this market for many years, and then replicate the business model to other markets. At the moment we are 65 employees, around 65. We have two offices. Our main office is here in Madrid, where we have all the finance department, the customer service department, the operations department, the marketing department as well. And then we have an office in Buenos Aires, where we have all the IT department. We have around 15 engineers over there. In these 5 years, the growth of the company has been, fortunately, we have been doubling the volume of sales every year. We have been concentrated just in only one goal, instead of putting our efforts in different products, in different services. We just concentrate on flights, and I think we did it in the right way. We have presence in 15 markets, almost all in Europe, and this year we are expanding to more markets. We have just launched Australia, New Zealand and Singapore, and our idea is to, in the rest of this year, to launch in Brazil, Argentina, Turkey and Russia. If you understand that if you are in an environment where you are placing in a lot of different markets, so the complexity of the challenge is bigger. So you need to be able to, I don't know, collect money from your customers in different currencies, and you need to, well, there are different issues that you have to face if you are expanding so fast as we are doing right now. We understand that travelers are changing right now. Well, in the last years, they have changed a lot because they have access to much more information than before. So, and they have much more tools to get in contact with suppliers or with us. We understand that each customer has its own pattern of using our systems, our services. Maybe in the near future we are going to try to work around that in order to be able to give the exact content that a certain user demands. Amadeus it has been, and it is already right now, it's a key partner for us. We are really confident on the technology that they provide us, and we are very happy to see all the improvements that they are facing right now, all the improvements in the technology, in the logic that they use in the systems. So I think that they have been partners, and they have been following us in the same way during the last 5 years. They have provided us with a lot of information regarding each new market for us. So it's like having like a counselor for certain things, not only on technology, but also to being in contact with the Amadeus local office in every market, and having information about how the market behaves and what are the needs that we have in each market. So one of our key issues right now is to make all our processes as smooth as possible. So we are implementing different tools and new processes in order to improve that flow, and Amadeus can play a very important role in that sense, because for one part they know the business, they know all the OTAs, so and they know how our flows are and where we can improve in each phase of that flow. Another solution that we are going to use in the short term is Amadeus Payments. I think that is a very good Amadeus asset. They have put resources in facing a very big challenge that all the OTAs have and had in the past. So that is a key solution that they are offering to all the market. I am very passionate of my job, of this industry. I have been working in this industry for all my life. I started working in a small travel agency when I was 17 years old, so I really love what I do. I really love the air part of the travel industry, and I'm really passionate of that. And so that is what I try to put in my company. That passion, that interest in basically in trying to offer our customers the best airfare possible or the best air content possible. So we are changing all the time. We are improving in different ways of our company, and Amadeus can play a very important role in that path, in that way. So I think it's very important that they can follow us in our speed, in our interest of developing new solutions or new processes. So that's what I expect from Amadeus.